Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be creating a bubble shooter game in Scratch 3.0. This is the part 1 of the tutorial. This gameplay is an example of how this game works. It is made by GameBoss.com. We can shoot randomly selected bubbles on the bubbles above in order to blast them. If 3 or more bubbles of the same color are together, they get blasted. So let's get started. These are the sprites or costumes you will require. You can either draw them, take them from the internet, or the link in the description. Let's get started with the code. When the flag is clicked, motions, go to X and Y respective positions. Point in direction 0, that means upwards. Forever from controls. Motions, point towards mouse pointer. We'll run a project and we'll see the cannon points towards the mouse pointer wherever it goes. Now we'll continue with the code of the shooting ball sprite. When the flag is clicked, looks, go to the front layer of all these sprites. Forever, we'll go to motions and take the block. Point towards mouse pointer, go to cannon. And now we see if even if we remove the position from here, it comes back to its original position. As we have coded, forever go to cannon. When the flag is clicked, forever looks, switch costume, we'll go to operators and take the block, switch costume to pick random 1 to 4. As we can see, we have 4 costumes here of 4 different colored balls. You can take as many costumes as you want of different colors and change the value here. Wait until mouse down from sensing, controls, F block, we'll go to sensing again, F, mouse down, we'll go to controls, create clone of myself, wait for 1 second. When I start as a clone, we'll go to looks, go to back layer, the back layer of all the sprites. Controls, repeat until touching the original balls, that means the balls that are up. If else block. Outside the if else block, we'll take an if block. If touching the original balls, then, and before that, repeat until touching the original balls. Move 20 steps. If on edge, bounce. If touching the original balls, then if and block from operators in the first cell equals to block. If costume number equals to 1, and we'll go to sensing, touching color yellow, that means the yellow color of a ball. We'll make a new variable called ball shot status. Set ball shot status to yellow, and we'll go to controls and we'll take the block, wait for 0.3 seconds. Now we'll go to controls and we'll take the block, delete this clone. Duplicate this whole thing and put it under else block. If costume number equals to 2, set ball shot status to blue, touching color blue ball. So keep changing its values until you have reached all 4 balls. If costume number equals to 3, set ball shot status to green and touching color green. Now in the last, we'll put an if block. Duplicate this code again. This one too, and now we'll change its values. Set ball shot status to red, costume number equals to 4 and touching color red. Now we'll go to the original balls. When the flag is clicked, set ball shot status to blank at the beginning. Looks, hide. Motions, go to X and Y respective positions seen here. Now we'll create a new block called automatically generate bubbles. Okay. Now beneath the go to block, we'll attach the automatically generate bubbles block. Define automatically generate bubbles. Repeat twice. Now underneath repeat block, we'll put one more repeat block. Repeat 16 times. Looks, switch costume, operators pick random 1 to 4 as we have mentioned that there are 4 costumes. Controls, create clone of myself, motions, change X by 30. So this script is basically to generate the blocks at the top. Change Y by 30, change X by -15. Now we'll take one more repeat block, repeat 16 this time also. Switch costume, pick random 1 to 4 from operators. Controls, create clone of myself, motions, change X by -30, change Y by 30. That means it will keep switching on rows. And this value to change X by 15. Now we see the balls are not seen. So you must add one more part of code. When I start as a clone, show, and this is important that the value of the Y in the beginning is 76 or else the balls will get cluttered on the screen. So let's try and run this. So we can see the balls are generated like this and of random colors. But now what we want is to generate it at once and not wait for each and every block or bubble to generate one by one. So we'll just edit by right clicking and run without screen refresh. Okay. Now we see the bubbles are generated at once and of different colors and different patterns. So now let's continue the code of the original balls and make the code of how the blocks will be deleted upon shooting them. When I start as a clone, forever, if we'll take 5 times and, so duplicate it and put it one of the cells. If sensing, touching color, yellow from the balls and touching color, or instead take the block touching shooting balls and go to operators equals to block. In the first cell we will put costume number equals to 1 as the yellow sprite has the first costume. Now we'll remove this and as it was not necessary right now. Equals to block in the last cell. We'll go to variables, ball shot status equals to yellow. Then events, wait for 0.2 seconds. Now the timing here is important or the blocks won't get deleted. Delete this clone. Duplicate this whole code and now we'll change the values. Like for example, touching color, instead of yellow this time we'll change it to the second costume, that is in our case blue. And touching shooting ball, that's okay, and costume number equals to 2 this time and ball shot status to blue. Now duplicate this code again. Right click, duplicate, place it down neatly, and change the values. Touching color, green, that is our third costume. Costume number equals to 3. Ball shot status equals to green. Again duplicate this code. Now only one last costume left, and that is red. Touching color, red from the balls. Now we'll change the value of costume number equals 4 and ball shot status equals to red. So we have finished the code. Now we can run our project. So, if you liked the game so far, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such tutorials. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.